Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide likes on Instagram. In an attempt to make users' experience more pleasant, Instagram rolled out the ability to hide like and view counts on all posts in their feed. This way, users can focus on the content rather than the popularity of the content. This update gave users the option to hide the like and view counts on their own posts from other users. You can hide the like and view count on a post before you post it, or you can do so retroactively. We will walk you through how to hide Instagram likes on your feed and on your own posts. First, how to hide likes on other accounts. Open your Instagram profile. Select the three black lines in the upper right corner. Then tap on the likes. Now, tap on the pictures and click the heart icon. Select the post to hide likes on your feed. And that's all. The other option, how to hide likes on your Instagram post before you share it. On the final page before you post your Instagram photo, where you write your caption and tag accounts, scroll down and select Advanced Settings in gray. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.